2, 3.
So, on you, as you can see, as normal, we just have a normal deck of cards. You happy with that?
Yeah.
All different, yeah?
All different.
Perfect. Okay, and even when we look at C back, so we can see that they're all red cards. All right, happy with that?
Yep.
Okay, what I'd like you to do is say stop any card you like.
Stop.
Are you sure?
Mhm.
Want to go forward, back?
No. There.
That is your card. Are you happy with that? Now, will you have a good look at it? Show it to the camera as well while you're at it. Yeah. Put it on top there and watch. So, just showed you, there's no way I could possibly. Is that fair enough?
Yep.
You know the film Frozen?
Yeah.
You know the character that is Elsa? She makes things freeze and she sings Let It Go and all that. What we're going to do is we're going to try and freeze your card in the deck.
Okay.
So what I'd like you to do is sing Let It Go once. Just once. Let it go.
Let it go.
Blow a nice kiss. What we're doing is we want to see can we turn that card into a blue icy card. Okay, let's see can we do it. Whoa! Hang on now. Okay, hang on a second. So there is our ice card. What do you reckon? Now, would you mind telling everybody what your card was?
The ace of spades.
Would it be that one?
Yeah.
So we have we're not finished just yet. So we have a blue card, which is the ace of spades, which is the one that we just changed. Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'd like to do is put your hand like that and put it on top of that card. Don't let anyone touch it. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to do it again. So we've done it once, so I think we can do it twice. Would you agree? So watch this.
Right.
I want you to say stop whenever you like.
Stop.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
That's your card. Okay. Again, I can't see it. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this. We're going to see if we can make another blue card. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, that didn't work, did it? Oh, actually, check that one. Check it.
Ah.
Check it. It couldn't be the king of diamonds.
Oh my
Oh,
That's classic.
That's freaky.
there they go.